Today we are going to learn how to make an attractive motivational collage. You can put this collage in your room for a daily dose of motivation and inspiration.
Hello everyone, I am Ibu member of class 8F and today we will be making a motivational quote. So let's get started. Material required: paper, scissors, glue, motivational quotes, sketch pen, thread and tape. So first I am pasting some strips of green color to make the paper pretty, and now I am cutting the excess. Then I am going to paste some motivational quotes. So first I am cutting them. I printed out many of them. Great quotes from Thomas Edison, Anthony Robbins, Albert Einstein, from people like these. So now I am pasting all the quotes on the paper just like this. You can make it either horizontal or vertical, but you need a symmetry for this. And now I'm writing the heading motivational collage. I am writing like this, but you can write this in many fonts. In the end, I am pasting some thread so that I can hang it on the wall. And this is the finished product. So this is how I make the motivational collage. Thank you.